Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to SW News English. The Supreme Court has reacted to the case where Andhra Pradesh MLA was caught on camera this month destroying an EVM at a polling station. The Supreme Court has sharply reacted to grant interim protection to this MLA. This MLA was caught destroying EVM at the polling station in Palnadu district. A video was circulated online where MLA of ruling YSRCP P. Ramakrishna Reddy was seen barging into a voting booth, then grabbing EVM and VVPAT off the table and then throwing it on the ground. This happened on May 13th. However, the accused MLA had received protection in the case with the High Court order directing the police not to act against the lawmaker till the results are announced. Today, Supreme Court Justices Arvind Kumar and Sandeep Mehta questioned the High Court's decision. The Apex Court has called this a complete mockery of the system. The top court was also of mind to cancel the interim protection to the accused MLA. The Apex Court said, "Are we being made fun of? This is a sheer joke. How can so many enter a polling booth?" Then the court said, it was a live web telecast. The complainant said both EVM and VVPAT were snatched and destroyed. 8 people were inside the polling booth. Where is the question of bail? Justice Mehta also commented about the video. He said, "This is not a doctored video." The Apex Court also criticized MLA Reddy for remaining hidden till the interim protection order and also the cops for their response to the shocking incident. The court said, he is belittling the system. Sitting MLA goes to the polling station, destroys EVM and VVPAT, and a complaint is filed about an unknown person. The Supreme Court has ordered the High Court to hear the matter, which is listed for Thursday, without being influenced by the interim protection order. MLA of YRCP, Ramakrishna Reddy, this time is seeking a 5th consecutive term. He is booked under sections of Indian Penal Code, the Representation of the People Act, and Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India Alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Result day on 4 June 7 am onwards.
सिर्फ HW न्यूज इंग्लिश और HW न्यूज नेटवर्क पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.